open Kinder Eggs to surprise. So we got 3 boxes, total of 9 eggs. Look at these eggs, guys, so cute. So many too. I want them now. Eat, eat, eat. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open the eggs now. Guys, look at all this chocolate. Wow. So I'm gonna crack this egg. Let's see what I get. There, open it. Let's see what this gets. What's this? What's this? What's this? Look, guys, I got this little ball. So cute. I'm gonna drawing too. What is this? What was this? What's this, Ma? Guys, I got this Barbie, so cute. I think this is a princess or chef. One, help! There. What's this? Is it a Barbie? Guys, I'm so lucky today. I got another Barbie. I think this is a teacher. Oh, full of chocolate. Let me open it. What is that? Another one? Di ba, Mama, meron ako din? Meron pa ako isa pang ganyan?
Yeah.
What the? Guys, I already have this one, but I got another one? What the? Did I crack it? There's more. I already opened. What is? What is this, Ma? I don't know what is this, but okay. Okay. Roar. Yeah. What was this? Another one? I got another Barbie, guys. So super lucky today. Like this Barbie and this Barbie. What the? I cannot open it there. Already open. How do I open? It's not me. It's not my hand. Help!
You can open it.
There, I cannot help it. I got fish. I have already this one too, but it's pink. This one is green, different color. Oh, look like a slime. Oh, no way. It's not cracker. I think it's egg. Help me. Look, guys, I got this card and I got this. Also can spin. See? Yeah. So many chocolates on my hands. Ew. There. Help me, Cheddar. What's this? Get it. What's that? It's a frog. It's a frog. Another one fell, sorry. I got 2 frogs. Also, a frog house. Rabbit.
A few moments later.
This is what I got. I got 3 Barbies and this all toys. I'm gonna play now. subscribe to my channel. Bye!